the biggest names in show business. Can we expect more influential ambassadors, especially to introduce this product to the younger generation?
Why am I not enough?
No, you are enough.
Okay.
That's why I'm saying, ang bilis ko doon ang weed butil, nakasagot ako agad doon, guys
When we were starting in Sante several years ago, most of our members are yung medyo older generations, Gen X, mga yan. Pero nakita namin na for the past few years, medyo there's an influx of the young people, the millennials, the Gen Zs. Doon namin na-realize na yung health and wellness is not only for older people but for the younger generations. The question is why we started with Vice. Siyempre parang if you will start promoting, kasi ang goal namin, massive brand relaunches 2025. So let's go for the big names. So ang unang talagang pumasok dyan is Vice Ganda. But the question is, will we invite other influencers? Well, the answer is yes. Because our goal is not only to tap those people who knows Vice and our other brand ambassadors, but influencers na ang clout talaga nila are the youth and the young market. In fact, I don't want to announce anything right now, but siguro second half of the year, we have another brand ambassador. So, bata pa lang siya, di ba? Bata pa siya, who don't want to announce kung sino yun. Pero ang goal namin really is to inspire even yung mga bata na talaga yung health and wellness doesn't start whenever you're feeling something already. Hanggang bata pa sila, dapat masustain nila yung healthy lifestyle so that they can grow, not only older, but they can grow living a healthier life, active in sport. And that's the reason why this year, bold move namin, we organized the biggest running races in the Philippines. We have the Sante Barley Trilogy in partnership with Coach Rio de la Cruz. And ang goal namin is to inspire a lot of young people to really go into health and wellness.
Alright, speaking of that, Vice, what to you is living for more?
Living for more? For me, living for more should be everyone's mantra. I believe it should be everyone's inspiration every day to live for more. Kasi we were all born for it. Diba? We were all born to live for more. Hindi naman tayo ipinanganak para magmukhang kawawa. Diba? Hindi naman tayo ipinanganak para mapagkaitan. Hindi naman tayo pinanganak para hindi ma-enjoy ang buhay. Because life offers a lot of endless and limitless surprises and possibilities every day. At ipinangako yan ng Diyos sa atin. Diba? Na hindi kaya ang laki-laki ng ginawa ng Diyos sa atin ng mundo at napakaganda ng mga creations ng Panginoon. So bakit natin i-deprive yung sarili natin to live for more, to experience more, to enjoy more? Kasi that's what life is all about. Diba? Ipinanganak tayo hindi para magmukhang kawawa at diferente. Ipinanganak tayo para ma-enjoy ang lahat ng pwede natin yakapin na magagandang biyaya.
Ganda, Vice. Now, as we close this segment, Vice, napakaraming tao ngayon dito sa World Trade Center sa Pasay City. Iba sa kanila, malayo pang pinanggalingan, but they're very excited to welcome you as the new member of the Sante Barley family. Anong mensahe mo sa kanilang lahat?
I love you too so much. Well, first and foremost, I want to say thank you to you, sir, and to the entire Sante family. Thank you very much for welcoming me to your wonderful family. I am just so proud to be here today and to be with all of you. I'm so proud to say na, at last, part na ako ng Sante family. And I am very proud of all of you. I am very proud of all of you. The first time that I was able to talk to him, we talked about the kind of people na bahagi ng pamilyang ito. And I was just overwhelmed to know that Sante family is a family of breadwinners. Diba, napakarami sa inyo. Alam kong ginagawa niyo lahat ng ginagawa ninyo ngayon, hindi lang para sa mga sarili ninyo. Dahil ang pangarap ninyo, hindi lang naman pangarap para sa mga sarili ninyo. Pangarap nyo yan para sa buong pamilya ninyo at sa mga taong mahal na mahal ninyo. And I know all of you are working very hard to achieve your biggest dreams, not just for yourselves, but for the family that you have, for your most loved ones. Diba? Kaya I am very proud of you at ipagpalain kayo ng Panginoon at naway lahat tayo makaranas ng magandang buhay na deserve natin na maa-achieve natin mula sa pagpapala ng Diyos at sa hard work na ginagawa ninyo at sa oportunidad na meron tayong hinaharap araw-araw. We are very proud of you. More power. God bless you. At magkita-kita tayo sa finals ng masasaya at mas masagana.
There you have it! Again, congratulations to the Santi Party family. Siguro tayo lang tayo sa gitna for quick photos, no?